I found this exhaust on AliExpress, including the valves, which are here top corner, just by the mufflers. They're very competitively priced. And it got me thinking, oh dear, probably postage is going to be quite high. But at 145 for the postage is pretty good. And you can pay £119 6 times. But obviously it's coming from China. The problem with that is there's going to be import taxes and VAT to pay. So I had a look at a calculator, which is here, and tapped in all the information that I needed. And then it makes it really confusing because you need a code. But I just tapped in exhaust pipe, and then it figured out it was this code with a value of 760 and then the postage of 150. And then it adds on, so the duty should be £36.40. And then the VAT should be 189.28, which is 20% VAT and 4% import duty, which is 225.68 tax to pay on top of the price, which then brings the exhaust pipes up to £1,135.68. Quite a lot more than the 750. So what I've done is I've messaged the store and asked them what the declared value of the goods will be, and then hopefully that will just bring it down a bit, and then the custom declaration will be different because obviously they take into account the postage as well. So yeah, watch this space, and let's see if we can get this exhaust pipe for under £1,000. I have dropped the link for this exhaust in the comments section.